Picture this. You open your browser ready to do something productive. Or let's be real, watch just one YouTube video that turns into 3 hour spiral about a hamsters learning Python. But suddenly boom, everything freezes. Welcome to Atlas Browser, where downtime isn't a bug, it's a feature. Unlike Chrome, which eats RAM like it's all you can eat buffet, Atlas is light, private, and calm. It's that one chill friend who fixes your tech problems and never judges your 47 open tabs. The slogan, downtime in HD, because even when the internet betrays you, at least your lag looks beautiful. So yeah, maybe your Wi-Fi still sucks or your tab still freezes, but with Atlas, at least it's aesthetic, minimal, smooth, and somehow peaceful.